class. Be ready for the talent show tomorrow.
Bro, guess what?
What?
You know that girl that you really like?
Megan?
Yeah, she's moving.
No!
It gets worse. She had a big crush on you for months now.
Are you serious?
Yeah, the next day.
This song is about Megan.
I wish I knew. I wish I knew you want me.
Hey, that's just not hard, though.
Girl, do. Baby, who could have made a move? If I knew I could do. It's just too late to pursue.
I never liked you.
Oh, great heavens! Every time you lie, this lie detector is gonna make a beep sound. So did you sneak out the house last night?
No, I was asleep.
Beep.
I meant to say I went to the park with my friends.
Beep.
All right. I really went to Michaela's house to Netflix and chill.
Come on, son. When I was your age, I was a good kid. I would never do any of that. Beep. He really is your son, huh? Beep. Oh, great heavens! Can you count from 5 to 10? Yeah, that's easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Congratulations, you got the job. Thank you so much. I won't let you down.
Yeah?
I got a call from school today. What did you do?
The teacher was being smart with me.
What do you mean?
I had to use the bathroom so bad. I asked her, can I use the bathroom? And she said, I don't know, can you?
What'd you say?
I said, yes, I can. And I showed her.
Showed her? Boy, did you just wet yourself?
Yep.
Oh, great heavens! To the airport, please. Hello?
Hey, I just wanted to let you know I'm 5 minutes away.
Wait a minute. Oh, great heavens!
Oh, thank you so much. Y'all didn't have to give me anything. Happy birthday from Grandma and Grandpa. Wow, you guys are the best. Oh, and this money doesn't mean anything. I would have been happy with just the card.
Well, I can hold it for you.
No.
Oh, great heavens!
Who ate my brownies?
What?
Mom, I'm not kidding. Did you take my brownies?
What brownie?
I made them last night and I labeled them. Do not touch. And now they're gone.
Oh, you baked last night? That's cute. Is it for a girl?
No, Mom.
Relax, sweetie. I didn't take your brownies. If we can't find them, I'll bake you more.
Mom, but I need the ones I made.
Why?
I can't say it. They're just special brownies.
Are you saying that my brownies aren't special?
No, I mean they have a special ingredient.
Special ingredient? Oh! Did you check the fridge?
Yeah, there's only cookies.
Oh, I'll bake those cookies for your dad because he has a big presentation at work today. I wonder why he forgot them.
Oh, no.
Hello?
Hey, honey, those brownies you made me made everyone pass out.
Oh, great heaven! Bro, I am not ready for English class.
Me either.
Did you do your homework?
Crap, I did, but I left it at home. Hold on.
Hello?
Dad, are you busy?
Yes, I'm at work.
Well, can you please go home and get my English paper?
Fine.
It's the one about Mom and Uncle Fred.
Why Uncle Fred and not me?
Well, this paper is about people who cheat.
People who cheat. Oh, great heavens!
Babe, how was your day? It was good.
Even though it's a risk and I don't know what's on the other side, I'm gonna make a bet on myself.
I guess I'm kind of looking at this as a sort of pre-boat. I just quit my job and flew to Scotland with no money or plans or friends.
Stay one, exercising every day.
I've really gone and done it now. That farm. Turned in my 2-week notice. I just took the leap.
Maybe I can have my husband going. I feel like we're on the verge of a renaissance.
They say to do what you love. And I love to dance.
Having any fun yet?
fighting with all they have.
The word freedom right now means a lot for us.
Let it be the beginning of a new era.
You know, I call it evolution. This is what believing looks like. And don't you ever, ever give up on you.
The GMC AT4 lineup, premium and capable. Just announced in time for the holiday. Get 1.9% APR for 5 years on all 2022 GMC Sierra Light Duty Crew Cab models. Visit your local dealer today.
Hey, man, your girl can talk, huh?
Wait a minute.
Oh, great heavens!